We're now on stage 3, which is the body build out. And since the last time we talked, I have gone ahead and extended the frame 10 inches and started on the body extension as well so that I could build the platform for the aluminum rebody. So now that we got the overall the fabrication done on the rig, it's all roughed out. Imagine kind of chiseling away at something and getting a form. It's time to step into the more accurate kind of finesse bodywork, metal finishing stage so that we can prep for paint. We're gonna do a really special paint job on this. We're not gonna wrap this Jeep. We want it to be something that lasts for years and is above and beyond as far as aesthetics.